Red is the most emblematic color in Carolina Herrera, and my favorite one too. When I started developing the CH fragrance 10 years ago, I wanted to create a perfume around the color red. It was a fixed idea and intuition. I also wanted to evoke the feelings I get when I enter a CH Carolina Herrera store. A feeling of elegance, coziness, and modernity. The ingredients we use in CH are classic, but with a twist. Bulgarian rose, a main ingredient, lingers on the skin in a very special way. Jasmine is the smell I associate with my mother because it's her favorite flower and mine too. Bergamot is the king of citrus, and the woody base notes create a mysterious atmosphere. CH Men Privé is not your average masculine fragrance. It has the sensuality of leather and the elegance of whiskey. A great mix, like having a drink in a good party with an interesting man. Sounds good, doesn't it?